Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and I am so glad to have each and every one of you here, and I just want to say thank you for all the comments and for all the emails that I've been receiving from you guys, and I just appreciate every bit of it. Well, today's video is finished object. I only have 3 things, and so I just wanted to share those with you guys. The first thing I have is someone in my Facebook group page posted this ugly bunny, and I do not remember the name of it, because if I remember, it was a YouTube video. It does have a link that takes you to where it said an English written pattern. I clicked on that. I did not see the pattern, and I actually clicked on it a couple of times, thinking maybe it just sent that I clicked on something wrong and it sent, and I went somewhere else. But no, I don't know where the written pattern is. So what I did is I just watched the video and I wrote down the instructions, and then I went back and made it. And so here it is. It's called the Ugly Bunny. I just think it's adorable. This is actually for my nephew. One of my nieces said, "Aunt Pam, someone posted this in your Facebook group page," and she said, "Do you think you could make that for Johnny?" Johnny is her son, which is my great nephew. And I saw it and I was like, yeah, I can make that. That thing's adorable. One of my sisters, Tanya, she saw it, and so she wants me to make. And so, like, I think it's a purple, pink, orange, a baby blue, and a darker blue for grandkids. So I'm going to be making some more of these, but it is a lot of fun. I mean, it was really easy. And the arm right here is the same pattern, like for both arms and these. This is just 9 rows. This is 10 rows, and that's 7 rows. I mean, you know, it's pretty simple. So, yeah. Anyway, so I finished that, and I forgot who it was, but thank you for posting that in the Facebook group page, because I did enjoy making that. Okay, so the other finished object that I have are my sloths. I finished 2 of these, and once again, guys, I'm not sure what it is, but same yarn, same hook. One's bigger than the other. I'm not sure what it is that I'm doing, that I don't know. But I'm okay with it. One is going to my niece. She actually asked for one last year, and I'm just now getting around to it. And I've been wanting one. And so, of course, I had to find the right pattern. But this yarn, I just love this color of yarn. And I just stumbled upon this. But here's the hat. Isn't that cute? Let me show you real quick. Oh, the hands. I did change the hands up. They, or the fingernails, the nails, I guess claws, whatever you want to call them. I did change it up the way they make it. And I will show you what I do. So what I did on this to make the claws, I just did it where it was so much easier. I chained 7. And then, no, I chained 8. Then I slip stitched back down, which was 7. And then I chained 9, I slip stitch back down 7, chained 9, slip stitch back down 7, and then I attached it to the hand. And I did all 4 of them that way. So, all right. This was from the Peekapoo book. Let's see. The color that they have in here is, actually they had like a blue, and I used like a mauve color. But see, the hands are a little bit different. And they're so little. And you're working in the round. And I did try it. And I was like, that's going to take me forever. So I came up with this idea. And so that's the claws that I have. But I basically did everything, their colors, except I changed that blue to a mauve color, because it's kind of like a rose, I guess. I'm not even sure if that's the right word to use. I don't know. But it's a mauve to me. It's kind of like in between a pink and a purple. So I didn't want pink and I didn't want purple. So let me tell you the yarn that I used for this. This was from Michael's, called Craft Smart. And so it's not really, like I said, it's not really a pink or a purple. It actually says mauve on it. So yeah, that's exactly what it looks like to me. So that's what I used for that part. Now for the skin, or the body, I used, and I just think this is the perfect color for this sloth, guys. I got lucky. I had this. It's called Taupe, and it's the big twist. It's the big twist from Joann's, and it's called Taupe. I just felt like this was the perfect color. When I saw this, I was like, okay, that's it. But this is, how many yards is this? Because this was a brand new scheme when I got into it, and to make 2 of those, this is how much I had left. It's a medium 4-way. It's a 380 yards in here. Yeah, and yeah, 100% acrylic. So, I mean, I just think it's perfect color. I got lucky on that. And let's see, for the rest, for the gold hat, I used Never Enough, that Craft Smart again. And this is in gold. And then for that off-white, I used Red Heart Super Saver. I think some of this I had gotten for 64 cents. And let me see what the color is. Soft white. So, yeah, so that's the colors that I used for my little sloth. For this little guy, I just used regular Red Heart yarn, the red. No big deal. Okay, so now let's go ahead and read out of our 365 days of prayer and see what we have to end this video with. Nice positive ending, right guys? It says, my real future. Come now, you who say, today or tomorrow we will go to such and such a town and spend a year there doing business and making money. Yet you do not even know what tomorrow will bring. What is your life? For you are a mist that appears for a little while and then vanishes. Instead, you ought to say, if the Lord wishes, we will live and do this or that. That's James 4:13 through 15. Lord, you know my future. You planned it. I have dreams and I make plans, and I know much of my ambition for the future comes from you. Yet I also know I can easily get ahead of myself, assuming I have years or even weeks I may not have. Lord, help me to focus on the immediate future, or what I will do with this next minute, not the next year or next chapter. Remind me to pursue your purpose so that whichever minute marks the end of my earthly future, it has poised me for my real future with you. How can you be focused on the immediate future and pursue God's purpose for your life? That's an interesting one. That is definitely something to think about. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.